If you were thinking of getting a pair of fashion Dior earrings like these, which cost around $470, then you need to watch this video first. Join me as I challenge myself to create stunning Dior-inspired earrings using nothing but zipper pulls. Welcome to the handbag heaven. Today I want to show you a creative way to make earrings that are not only stylish but also budget friendly. Who says you need to break the bank to look like $1,000,000? With just a few simple materials, you can create your own luxury inspired earrings. We've all been there, scrolling through social media, seeing all these gorgeous earrings that cost an arm and a leg. You want to look fashionable, but your wallet is saying otherwise. That's where upcycling comes in. Upcycling is an amazing way to give new life to old materials, reducing waste and saving you money. Look, I'm done with spending a fortune on luxury fashion jewelry. The prices have gotten way out of the range I want to spend on fashion jewelry. But what if I told you that you can create your own luxury earrings that are truly one of a kind for much less? I'm excited to show you how to relux this zipper pull into stunning earrings. So I recently got this pouch from Dior. This is a part of their Christmas holiday collection that was released. But when I saw the zipper pulls on this pouch, I thought it was very nice. In fact, a little too nice to just be a zipper pull. So you are probably wondering how much I spent on the pouches. Well, for me, I do use Dior Beauty products, and I was going to purchase the products anyway, like this mascara set. This pouch with the mascara set is the least expensive at $66. But like I said, I got one pouch during the Sephora sale for only $52.80. Now, I'm not telling you to go out and spend on the pouches unless you also want the products. But if you were thinking of getting a pair of fashion Dior earrings like these, which cost around $470, then you need to watch this video first. So I decided to get another pouch during the recent Sephora sale. By the way, check out my video on what I picked up. There are a lot of new fragrances that have been released this fall. But anyway, I got two of these pouches just so I can use the zipper pulls. Let's get started. For this project, you'll need a few simple materials: zipper pulls, hooks, earring backs, and pliers. Everything I used is linked in the description area. First, you are going to remove the zipper pulls from the pouches. Next, take your earring hooks and attach them to the jump rings or directly to the pulls. The pulls actually have a hole that you can use to attach the hook. And that's it. Here are the finished earrings. Don't they look like these $470 earrings? These earrings are not only stylish, but they're also eco-friendly and budget-friendly. You can wear them to a night out or just to add some flair to your everyday look. But look, that is not it. Remember the other zipper pull? You can actually make another pair of earrings using the star pulls, but I decided to make a necklace instead. So all I did was add a chain, and there you go, a necklace. Upcycling is all about thinking outside the box and seeing the potential in everyday materials. By creating your own accessories, you're not only saving money, but you're also reducing waste and exercising your creativity. So don't be afraid to get creative and try new things. You never know what amazing things you'll come up with. I love reluxing. Now, I typically only do this for myself or gifts for family members. With the holidays around the corner, this could easily be a nice gift. If you have any thoughts on this project, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more DIY luxury projects. Thanks so much for watching.